If I show myself, people won't like me. Then, if I protect myself, people still don't like me. It's just so hard na, dude.
Binibigyan po namin ng 1 point ang Millie. Feeling ko po si Michael, sobrang inconsistent po ng personality niya from the first few weeks up to this day, to the point na hindi ko na po alam kung nagiging showbiz siya or yun lang talaga siya bilang isang tao.
May rule pa tayo na pag may problema, sasabihin. Tapos, di ba golden rule niyo yun?
Ako nagulat to.
Do they still think I'm not being real at this point? You do good or bad on a task. If they like you, they'll keep you. There's a favoritism going on in this house.
Sure, ball.
And there's a bunch of play safes going around in this house.
Oo, dami.
Nung una po parang naramdaman ko na alone ulit ako. I've been really trying. Ginagawa ko na lahat na nahimik na ako. Or makakipagkulitan ako. Lahat, sinubukan ko na po lahat. But I just feel like wala talaga po. Parang ayaw nila talaga sa akin. Gusto ko lang maramdaman kahit isang week na ma-assure na, uy, Michael, gusto ka namin dito. Pero hindi ko na po alam kung ano pa dapat ang baguhin ko sa sarili ko para sana magustuhan nilang magstay ako dito.
I love Michael. He's such a strong energy in this house, and when he speaks, we all listen. And I think that's such a good thing to have here in the house.
Knowing Michael as a person, sobrang bait niya. Mabait talaga siya, guys. Sobrang misunderstood siya. And I really want him to stay. Kasi siya talaga yung naging bosses namin as housemates. Tapos napakagaling niyang leader. He's so smart. Sobrang articulate niya. And wala lang, feeling ko pag nawala siya sa bahay, may kulang talaga. Kasi napakalaki po ng impact ni Michael sa loob ng bahay. Kahit na nami-misunderstood siya.
I'll hang from your lips. And I'll be your crying shoulder.
I'm really sorry.
Don't say sorry.